the making of my advent calendar continues. I've turned 6 of these little jars into these cute little gingerbread man. And on this video, I'm gonna turn 6 of these little tiny jars into cute gingerbread houses. So adorable. Let's find out how I made them. Here we go, the second video and the second design of my advent calendar. Oh my god, I'm so excited. If you've seen the previous video, I made this cute little gingerbread man because I've got 24 jars and I'm gonna make an advent calendar, a huge humongous one, and I'm gonna have 4 designs. And on this video I'm gonna show you the second design. But let me show you my idea. The second design is gonna be like a little gingerbread house. Oh, something like that. So I'm gonna do what I've done with the previous one. So I painted the jar, I primed it with the gesso, and then I painted it with rose sienna. I gave it about like 2 or 3 coats. I just kept going. And then I switched because at the beginning I was gonna use a sponge brush, but then it turned up to be a little bit useless. So I switched for a normal brush. That came out a little bit better. I did like it. So yeah, so the bases are all done. All of the 6 jars have been painted and they're ready to go. All I need to do on this video is the decoration at the top. Do the drips with the foam clay, with the chocolate foam clay, and then use the lightweight filler to do the squirt at the top. And then I've got a mold, and I'm gonna create like this chocolate little bar, and then I'm gonna put half of it in the lightweight filler just to make it look as if it's like a little chimney. I don't know if it works, but it doesn't matter. And then I'm gonna paint all the decorations on the jar. But let me show you the materials, what I will be using in this video. As I said, the jars are all ready to go. All I need to do, I just need to get rid of the masking tape and job done. And then I can start the decoration. Oh my god, exciting. As per the gingerbread man, I have glued the wooden semi-sphere onto the lid, so then that helps me to stabilize, like to give it like a roof shape as well, and also to hold the foam clay and the lightweight filler. We need a piping bag, and this time I've got a round nozzle. You see, it's quite big as well. I bought it ages ago, and you can find this on Amazon. It's brilliant. It's really, really good. And the piping bags, you can find everything on Amazon. And I've got a white Uniposca to do the details on the jar. And then I've got this mold. This is really, really cool. And this is the bit that I'm going to be making and I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be making it with foam clay. And foam clay, I'm going to colour. I'm going to make like chocolate colour foam clay. And to do that, let me show you how I make the colour of the chocolate foam clay. So I've got this brown. They call it chocolate, but I'm still not convinced. Yeah, look at that. That's not chocolate. So we will need a little bit of that. We will need black and we will need red. And what we're going to do is we mix the red and the black together until they blend, because black and red, it turns brown. Or like when you're a child, if you mix all of the colors, comes out brown. And then we add I call it caramel color. And we should get, I think maybe I've overdone it with the brown, with the black. We shall see. If so, if it's too dark, I'm going to add a little bit more red. But that seems to be coming out nicely. And ta-da! I think I'm happy with that. So I'm going to be using this to make like the little chimney. As material goes, that is it. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Yes, that is it. Oh, this is it. We're ready to decorate design number 2. I'm very excited, and I really hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm just having so much fun. Oh, and also big news. My jigsaw puzzle has turned up and it looks amazing. I absolutely love it. Oh, I'm so excited and I'm so itchy to just put it together and then divide all the bits and put it in the jars. So then comes the 1st of December, I can start putting it together, and then on Christmas Day we finish it off. Oh my God. I'm very excited, but I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna get on with it and decorate the jars. I'll see you later. Ooh, let's not forget to protect the jar using the cling film, or like I've used, little bits of old dust sheet. That will do the trick because foam clay sticks to everything. But I'll let you enjoy the video. Yay, all my gingerbread houses are now ready. Oh, look at them. What do you reckon? Oh, I love them. The drawing could have been a little bit neater and a little bit better, but I do like them like a little bit rough and ready. But look at this. Do you like them? Oh, and look, I've made a little heart at the back for added cuteness. So there we go, design number 2. So now I have the gingerbread men and I've got the gingerbread houses. Oh my God, 2 more designs to go and then I can build a frame. I'm very excited about the whole thing. It's it's a really cool project that I'm extremely excited about, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. And if you are, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, if you like these videos, why not subscribe and hit the bell? Because as I said, there's going to be another 2 coming, because I've got another 2 designs, and then there's going to be the video of where I built the whole frame. But thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.